Hey, it's the wrap up again. September 2010. Frat Pack what? Not in the mixtape. Dropping real soon. Watch out. Yes. Let's pick it up where the last one stopped. Nicki and Drizzy Drake untied their knot. Now it's no surprise that it ended quickly. A 24-hour marriage just for publicity. What's up to the Matrix? I feel your pain, but you guys striking's just totally in vain. A zap side to the police, I say, for shooting a little student. You should really be ashamed. I swear the strike had ish looking bleak, but thank your lucky stars that we not Mozambique. Cause in Maputo it's a whole different fight. Forget failing over there, you fear for your life. Americans are just acting like some hooligans, burning the Quran and messing with the Muslims. Whether Hindu, Jewish or Christian, get with the concept called freedom of religion. What's going on in cricket is quite sickening. Zap signed Pakistan and they match fixing. Okay, current affairs, I'm done with you. Now let's jump into some entertainment news. Lady Gaga deserves a round of applause. She totally killed at the VMA Awards. Can't front on that, that's really dope, yo. I can't say the same about a wardrobe though. Easy doing this thing, we can't lie. Hey, the dude drop a joint like every single Friday. Rappers so sensitive nowadays. Just heard MC Hammer wanna start a beef with Jay. SA got to see Blue and Exile at last. Blue took Rums's ring and didn't give it back. That's all I got for this September, kid. Congrats to the homie Splash, he the swag president. Yeah, Splash, you owe us a cap for this one. Mr. Caliber, ME engineering the session. Yes. And it's done.